So, modaverity.com is basically an online fashion store offering clothing and other products at prices that can look pretty attractive. But before you order, there are a few things I'd want to look into. The biggest question is whether the products actually look and feel like they do in the website photos. With lesser-known fashion stores, quality, sizing, materials, and shipping times can sometimes be very different from what you expect. I'd also pay close attention to the return policy. If you're ordering internationally, sending something back can potentially be expensive or complicated, especially if the item doesn't fit or isn't what you expected. So, is modaverity.com a scam? I wouldn't automatically make that claim, but I also wouldn't trust the marketing alone. Check independent customer reviews, payment protection, company information, and the refund policy before buying. Overall, I'd approach Modaverity with some caution. The prices might look tempting, but make sure you understand the risks before placing an order. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.